Because building a website can be scary for some people, and it became a barrier between them and starting their own online business. So many people are asking, can I do affiliate marketing without website? So before I answer that question, let me address this point. So building a website these days couldn't be any easier. So you don't have to code. Now everything, like there are website builders. All you have to do is just drag and drop and change the text, type whatever you want. So it couldn't be any easier. So now let's come to the question. Can I do affiliate marketing without a website? Absolutely, yes, you can. So because when you do affiliate marketing, you promote other people products for a commission. So how do you promote that those products? First, you can do, it is really your choice. You can do articles. That to do articles you require a website, so you don't want that one, so you can do it on YouTube. YouTube is free and you don't have to have a website, so you do YouTube videos and put your affiliate links in the description. You can do email marketing. All you have to do is just send emails with your affiliate offers. So just like the emails that you get from Amazon, from Walmart, Old Navy, and all those big companies, they use email marketing. You can do affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Pinterest is a search engine, but it is for pictures. You see Google, you can just type something and you find text, articles, videos, and everything. But Pinterest is a search engine, just like Google, but it's for pictures. You can do it on TikTok. You don't have to have website. So the point here is, yes, you can do affiliate marketing without website. Website is not a must. Your method of promotion decides whether you need to have a website or not. But if you don't want to have a website, you don't have to put articles. You can do it videos. Even you can do it on social media, on Facebook. You can do affiliate marketing on Facebook. But it is highly recommended to have at least a landing page. Landing page is one page website. You put some text, you put a video, or you put an image. It's up to you what you want to put there, but it is an introduction to the visitors to the program that you to the your affiliate program that you are going to forward them to. So it is easy and it can be done free and it can be done fast. So if you want to know how to do landing pages free and in matter of minutes, see this video that I published. It is tutorial how to do landing pages free and fast. And until next time, good luck.